Today you'll learn how to make a moving AI miniature video in Google Gemini using the latest image-to-video workflow. First, type your prompt into the text box. For this example, the prompt requests a tilt-shift miniature photo of a busy city crossroads seen from high above at golden hour, everything looking like a tiny model set with toy-sized cars, tiny people with soft edges, a very shallow band of sharp focus across the middle, and heavy blur at the top and bottom, saturated colors and fine model railway detail. No text in the image. Click the Submit button to generate the image. The miniature crossroads image appears in the chat window. Click the Download button below the image. A Save dialog opens. Choose where to save the file and click the Save button. The file downloads to your computer. Now type your second prompt. For this example, the request is for the same miniature model style, but a new scene. A tiny harbor with fishing boats, cranes, and stacked containers, seen from high above on a bright morning, keeping the strong tilt-shift blur and the toy-like colors. Click Submit to generate the harbor scene. The harbor image appears. The Save dialog opens automatically, so click the Save button to download it. To push the miniature effect further, type a refinement prompt. For this example, the request asks to take the harbor scene further into miniature, make the focus band narrower and sharper, exaggerate the color saturation, give the water a slightly plastic sheen, and make the people read clearly as painted model figures. Click Submit to generate the refined version. The enhanced miniature harbor appears with a much stronger tilt-shift effect. Click the Download button. In the Save dialog, type a file name. For this example, it's miniature. Then click the Save button. The refined image downloads to your computer. Click the plus button in the top right corner, then select Create Video from the menu that opens. A dialog appears asking if you want to start a new chat. Click New Chat to continue. The Create Video screen opens with a text box labeled Describe Your Video. Click the plus button next to the text box to upload a miniature image. A file picker opens. Select the miniature image you want to animate and it uploads to the chat. A thumbnail of the image appears above the text box. Now type your animation prompt. For this example, the request is to animate this miniature image as an 8-second clip, with tiny cars and boats moving slowly, tiny people walking, the light shifting very slightly, and the camera making one slow push in towards the center, keeping the shallow miniature focus band exactly where it is so it still looks like a model, with soft ambient sound. Click Submit. The screen changes to Creating Your Video while Gemini generates the clip. The first animated miniature video appears in the chat. Click the Download button to save it. The video opens in a player. Click Pause to stop it while you work on the next variation. Type your second animation prompt. For this example, the request is for the same image and 8 seconds, but this time, the camera slides slowly from left to right instead of pushing in, and a small crane arm turns, keeping the miniature look. Click Submit. The screen changes to Creating Your Video again while the second clip generates. The second video appears. Click Play to preview it, then click Pause once you've seen it. Click the Download button on the first video. A Save dialog opens. Type a file name. For this example, Video 1, then click the Save button. The first clip downloads to your computer. Click the Download button on the second video. In the Save dialog, type a file name. For this example, Video 2, then click the Save button. The second clip downloads to your computer. Open the folder where you saved the files. For this recording, that's the Downloads folder, and both video files appear there. Click on the first video file to open it in a video player. The first miniature video plays. Click on the second video file to open it. The second video plays. The tilt-shift miniature effect works best when you specify a shallow band of sharp focus with heavy blur at the top and bottom. That's what makes real scenes look like tiny models. If your generated video loses the miniature look or the focus band shifts during animation, add Keep the shallow focus band exactly where it is to your prompt. You can refine a miniature image multiple times before animating it to get the effect as strong as you want. The workflow supports iterative adjustments to the focus band, color saturation, and detail level before you commit to video generation. And that's how to make a moving AI miniature video in Google Gemini. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.